our 30 tray dehydrator machine. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 18 1/8 inches, depth of at least 23 3/4 inches, and overall height of at least 64 1/4 inches. On the top, we have your buttons for the supply, the heat, and the blower. And coming to the bottom right is your meter or voltmeter, along with the thermostat and timer. Coming to the sides, the lock, we can open the door, and inside will be your 30 trays, with each tray measuring 15 7/16 by also 15 7/16. Measurements for the tray apply for each one. And again, 30 trays will be included. And coming to the side will be the technical information for this dehydrator, along with the hardware wiring that's required. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.